Going with my dad as a little kid, 4 years old, and I fell in love with it. And ever since then, when I took that ride with him, every time I saw a truck and we were going someplace, it just fascinated me. But I thought I wanted out of it, you know, for a while, because that's when I was helping Dad in the business, getting into the taxes. But I couldn't handle being cooped up in an office, so I wanted to get back out to driving.
There you are.
Just keep going straight, huh?
Yeah, keep going straight down where that transfer is. On the left right there is where the grinder is.
All right, am I the next one or one in front of me?
Yeah, the one in front of you. He's almost right there, the next street down.
All righty, thanks. It wasn't, I didn't do it for the money. I mean, I'd still be doing this if the going rate was minimum wage. There's loads of grindings in me. They're grinding the street. I don't know why. It's a brand new street. Time to go dump. 00491.
Okay, bring around the scale, you're all set.
All right, thanks. When I was in grade school, I knew I didn't need education. I knew, and that might have made my brain even lazier. But, and I hated school only for the fact that everybody was on a schedule. You know, everybody ate lunch at the same time, everybody went to recess at the same time. It was like, I hated that. And I thought an 8 to 5, or 9 to 5 job would be the same way, you know. Lunch at noon, you know, breaks. It'd be too much like school. So I knew that wasn't for me. And that's another reason why I thought driving truck was great. Because I wanted to eat when I was hungry. I wanted to take a break when I needed a break. I didn't want to do it because somebody's telling me to do it. Or being on a routine to do it. That's just, I wanted to be independent, my own boss.